Ever been halfway through a project outside, only to realize your power setup is a total mess of extension cords and questionable safety? It's a headache, and honestly, it's a bit of a safety hazard too. That's where this little yellow and black brick from Tower Manufacturing comes into play. It's not exactly the most glamorous piece of gear you'll ever buy, but once you actually have it in your kit, you start wondering how you managed without it. The first thing you notice is that it feels surprisingly solid. It's got that rugged, industrial vibe that tells you it's not going to fall apart if you accidentally drop it on a concrete driveway or drag it through some damp grass. What's really clever here is how it turns a single, lonely wall outlet into a triple tap. If you're running a saw, a shop vac, and maybe a work light all at once, having those extra ports right there at the end of the line is a massive convenience. But the real star of the show is the 20-amp relay. Most standard household stuff is capped at 15 amps, so having that extra headroom means you aren't constantly tripping a breaker just because you pushed your tools a little too hard. It's that extra bit of breathing room that keeps the workflow moving, instead of forcing you to walk back to the panel to flip a switch. Now, here's the thing about the manual reset feature. Some people find it annoying that you have to physically press a button if the power cuts out, but for outdoor work, it's actually a smart move. It prevents your equipment from suddenly roaring back to life if the power flickers while you're changing a blade or adjusting a bit. It's a safety-first design choice that makes a lot of sense when you think about it. The weatherproofing is solid too. It's rated for rain, so if you're working in less than ideal conditions, you don't have to panic the second a few drops start falling. If there's a downside, it's that the unit itself is a bit bulky. It's not exactly something you're going to tuck into a small pocket, and it can be a little heavy if it's dangling off a wall outlet. You'll definitely want to make sure it's supported or lying flat on the ground, so it doesn't put unnecessary strain on your wall socket. Also, the bright yellow color is great for visibility, so you don't trip over it, but it's definitely not winning any design awards for subtlety. Still, for the peace of mind it provides, that's a trade-off that's easy to live with. It's one of those utilitarian tools that just does its job without any fuss. If you're tired of worrying about electrical safety while working in the garage or the backyard, this is a pretty straightforward way to get things sorted. It's reliable, it's tough, and it keeps the power flowing exactly where you need it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.